The journey of data science, navigating through the life cycle steps. What is a data science life cycle? The data science life cycle is a systematic and structured framework that guides data scientists through the process of extracting valuable insights and knowledge from raw data. This life cycle serves as a roadmap, ensuring that data analysis projects are organized, efficient, and effective in addressing complex challenges. Who are involved in the projects? Data scientist. Data scientists are the core members of the team responsible for designing and executing the analysis. Data engineer. Data engineers are responsible for collecting, storing, and preparing the data for analysis. Domain expert. A domain expert brings subject matter knowledge to the team. Machine learning engineer. In projects where machine learning models are central, machine learning engineers work alongside data scientists to implement and optimize machine learning algorithms. Business analyst. Business analysts bridge the gap between technical analysis and business goals. The life cycle of data science. The life cycle of data science, also known as the data science life cycle or data analytics life cycle, is a structured framework that outlines the stages involved in a data science project, from problem identification to solution deployment. The following are the typical stages of the data science lifecycle. Problem definition. Clearly define the problem you aim to solve or the question you want to answer using data analysis. Data collection. Gather relevant data from various sources, such as databases, APIs, spreadsheets, or external data providers. Data cleaning and pre-processing. Clean, transform, and pre-process the collected data to remove inconsistencies, handle missing values, and ensure data quality. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Explore and analyze the data to gain insights into its characteristics, patterns, and relationships. Feature engineering. Select, create, or transform features, variables, from the data that are relevant for building predictive models. Modeling. Develop and train machine learning or statistical models to address the defined problem. Validation and evaluation. Validate the model's performance using validation techniques like cross-validation. Model selection and tuning. Select the best performing model and fine-tune its parameters to optimize its performance on new data. Deployment. Implement the model into a production environment for real-world use. Monitoring and maintenance. Continuously monitor the model's performance in the production environment. Communication of results. Communicate the insights, findings, and conclusions drawn from the analysis to stakeholders. Feedback and iteration. Gather feedback from stakeholders and users of the deployed solution. Conclusion. In the rapidly evolving landscape of data-driven decision-making, the data science lifecycle stands as a steadfast guide, leading us through the intricate journey from raw data to actionable insights. It encapsulates the collective efforts of data scientists, domain experts, engineers, and communicators, all synergizing their talents to extract valuable meaning from data's vast depths.